LinkedIn content is a literal cheat code for fast growth and leads. Right now, only 1% of users are creating content on LinkedIn. Today, we're going to talk about why this is, as well as how you can take advantage of this under leverage of the platform to get more leads and blow up your brand in the B2B space. And if you watch this entire video, you will immediately 10x your inbound and outbound leads today. So make sure to stick around. My name is Darren. I've been creating content for over 11 years at this point. I've amassed millions of views during this time on my personal platforms. Now, I get to share what I've learned to help you in growing your brand online through content. So let's go ahead and get into a few different ways you can take advantage of this as a business owner and creator. Number one, LinkedIn is a platform of only people who would buy your stuff. If you compare the different platforms, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, they're geared more towards anyone and everybody. Although business owners are on these platforms, they're not only dedicated to them. They include people who are only there to be entertained most of the time, not necessarily to buy your services. All right, let's walk through a hypothetical visual. This is Jessica. She's wanting to sell her business consulting services to business owners who are struggling. She spends about 3 months straight making content to attract buyers. She has multiple videos go viral with over 500,000 views each. At the end of the 3 months, she has all the views, but it's to the wrong audience. All of her ideal clients live and breathe on LinkedIn. As soon as she switches her game and puts the same amount of effort into just posting on LinkedIn, the same content, she immediately sees 10 times the amount of leads that are interested in her services. And so take what you've learned from Jessica in this situation and apply this to your specific business. Where is your audience? Where is your ideal client? So this means if you are a B2B business, this needs to be your top platform, alongside YouTube, of course, that you need to push. Spend your time making content that is intentional and valuable for your potential customers. Number two, CTAs are native to the platform. Whenever you're scrolling on LinkedIn and somebody clicks on your profile, you immediately see what they do, and then it gives you a chance to take a next step directly on their page. This includes buttons for your website, contact links, booking calls, or even looking at your portfolio of work experience. When you are looking on somebody's profile to buy a service or product from them, you immediately go to their profile and look for a link for some way to connect with them. If you, as a business owner, do not have a clear and easy way for the potential lead to do this, you may as well go quit your job as an entrepreneur and go work at Walmart. No offense to Walmart workers, because you're shooting yourself in the foot at this point. No other platform makes it as easy and visible as LinkedIn does. So, if you haven't set this up on your LinkedIn page, pause the video, go set it up, and come back when you're done. I'll wait. Number three. All right, this next thing will blow your mind. But before we get there, if you're actually a business owner who is wanting to go further on getting these content systems up and running, we actually help 3 businesses every 90 days with this exact same thing. We'll sit down and teach you how to fish instead of just handing you a fish. We'll meet weekly for 90 days, get a game plan, teach you how to utilize the platforms, and you'll finish the program with more views, more time, and most importantly, more leads. This is exactly how I have grown my media company from the ground up using only content, and I want you to have access to the same stuff. If you're interested in this, click the link in the description and we can hop on a call to see if you're a good fit. All right, let's get back to the video. So Sales Navigator is one of the most valuable features on LinkedIn. This allows you to reach your ideal client and reach out directly to them. You can actually filter through the things that actually matter, like company size, industry, position, and even location. If you want to speak directly to the head of marketing at any company, you can contact them directly. No other platform makes it this easy to do and to find them. They immediately become a warm lead because you can send a customized video sales letter directly to them, introducing yourself and immediately making you a real human and very personable. There is a downside to utilizing this tool. It does cost around $99 a month at the time of this video, but if you get even one client from LinkedIn, it could pay for itself 100 times over. With LinkedIn, you immediately gain access to millions of potential clients that come in the forms of inbound leads, which is when they come to you because they see your content, or outbound leads, where you reach out to them through a very targeted filter. To wrap things up, let's recap what we've talked about. Number one, LinkedIn is the best place to access B2B clients. Number two, CTAs make a huge impact and LinkedIn has them natively built in. Number three, use tools like Sales Navigator to reach out to your ideal clients. Since only 1% of users are creating content and being active on this platform, that means only 1% of the users are getting the full benefits. If you want to capture a slice of this money pie, make lots of content, and remember, provide loads of value for your ideal client, and once you build the trust and authority in the space, that's when they turn into a client. And don't forget, you're one piece of content away from completely changing your life and your business. So let me know in the comments if you have been using LinkedIn and how it's worked out for you. I want to hear about it. So make sure to subscribe and tap the like button to make sure you see the next video full of content game. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.